Before we move on from this example, let's try a quick little exercise around handling text inputs. So I want to make a little change to this text screen application. We're not going to create a new component this time around. Here's what I want to do. I want that text screen demo to now do some password validation. So the label at the top should be changed to say enter password. And then underneath that text input, we should show a error message of sorts that says that the password that the user enters must be longer than 5 characters. Of course, once a user enters a password of at least 5 characters, so like many characters like so, then we should somehow get that error message right there to go away. So we essentially need to conditionally render some JSX element. To do so, let me give you a quick tip. All right, back over here, I want to show you how we can conditionally render some element very easily. Inside of my JSX block right here, underneath the text element, I'm going to add in a set of curly braces. Now we've seen several times that we can use curly braces inside of JSX to execute some JavaScript expression. We could put a ternary inside of here that conditionally either returns maybe a text element or something like that, or nothing at all. So let's see what that would look like. I'm just going to give you a quick example here. So maybe we would have like a quick test right here. I'm just going to always return true. So that would be the kind of check for my ternary expression. And I'll put in my question mark. And then if that expression right there is true, once again, it definitely is, I will return from the entire ternary expression a text element. And inside there I can say, like, that was true. And I'll make sure that I also put in a negative case. So after that text element, I'll put a colon, and then something to print out if that expression was not true. Remember, technically inside of JSX, null is a valid thing to show. So if we don't want to show anything at all, we can just put in null. So if I now save that, I'll go back to text demo and I'll see that was true. If I flip that to false instead and go back over, I'll see nothing at all. Okay, so with that in mind right there, and knowing that we have access to the text inside of that text input under the name state variable, go ahead and give this exercise a shot. Now you should not have to create any new files or change any code anywhere except for that text screen component. As usual, if you don't want to do this exercise, no problem, just go and check out the solution in the next video.